Good morning, good evening. Welcome back to Enchanted Rides and Drives. And welcome to the Toyo Tires Treadway. Real quick, hope you enjoyed that drifting there. That was from day one over at the Horsepower Rodeo. Those guys are kicking ass over there. I filmed them later on at the SEMA Fest later on day 4. But right now I'm going to walk you guys through the Toyo Tires Treadway here. We're going to check out some of these awesome builds here. Check out this Camaro. Pretty awesome. I think they got this thing set up for drifting. You don't really see too many Camaros out there drifting these days, but you see a lot of LS swaps taking Camaro motors, but don't really see too many Camaros out there drifting. But check out this, guys. Think that's a Porsche? Yeah, you'd be wrong. That is a Honda S2000. And here we go. What do you guys? Feast your eyes on this thing. So I'll save you the guessing. Now this is an AMG 63 chassis, drivetrain, and most of the interior I believe comes from the 63 as well. Now the body is from a 600, a 60s. I believe it's a 63 600 Mercedes. So it is a Mercedes on Mercedes retro mod, or I don't really know what you'd call this build. It's pretty wild, pretty awesome build. Pick some pretty wild colored leather in here. I love this interior. It's pretty wild. Very roomy car. As you can see, you can lay down in there. Pretty wild build, but it's got a total modern suspension with the AMG 63. So I'm going to keep it moving. I'm going to keep on checking these guys out. I'm going to go ahead, shut up, and let you guys check it out. This topless Lamborghini. There we go. Liberty Walk and Nissan Skyline. Alright guys, I'll see you back in a bit.
Brackets they had for it? Yeah, I don't. Sorry, I don't. You know what? I want to know why I think it's like that. None of these are done up. I'm pretty sure mechanically forwarded. I wonder because none of the pitch nuts are tight on the back. Yeah, you gotta at least tighten it up. Look at the way the seats tuck in the cage, though. That's weird.
Check out this Bronco, guys. Did the tail light work? It's got a modern power stroke tail light in there. Custom seats looking good, but this is a Bronco with a flare side. OBS Bronco. So, I don't know if you can see it there, but you can see the OBS in it now. Definitely see the OBS in the lights, but he has got a monster of a motor in this thing. And he's got a Raptor front clip on it. But look at this. Twin turbo. Bet you this thing is fun. And look at this old school GT Skyline. GT.
Check out this clean murdered out Nova, guys. If you don't know what murdered out is, it's basically black on black on black. Triple black, if you will. This one's not completely murdered out there. I see a little bit of bronze there on the rims. Bronze there on the headlights. Beautiful Nova, though. There's only a couple more cars here in the lanes, guys, as I make my way here to the end of the Toyo Tires Treadway. Now, the Toyo Tires Treadway separates the Central Hall from the South Hall. And almost every year that I have been paying attention to SEMA, they usually have some pretty awesome builds right here in this Treadway. This year was no disappointment. Beautiful Acura NSX here. Lately I've seen a lot of these with Honda badges on them, so I'm assuming they're just going with Honda NSX or Acura NSX. Not sure. Anyway, beautiful little Volkswagen right here. Cool little car. I like the green with the orange. I mean the blue with the orange. It's very European. But anyway, guys. Hope you enjoyed the Toyo Tire Treadway at the SEMA 2025 Las Vegas Convention Center, Las Vegas, Nevada. Look at that turbo on that thing. It's probably a pretty quick little Volkswagen, guys. I'm gonna head on in here to the South Hall, guys. Let's see you in the streets.